How to use Google AI Mode for travel planning. Start by opening the Google application on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type in travel-related query like plan a 5-day trip to Japan in the search bar. Now switch to the AI Mode tab next to the All tab. In the Ask Anything text box, define your request. For example, include dates, budget or preferences. Google AI will generate a custom travel plan with itinerary suggestions, activities and tips. Then, scroll through the answer to view places to visit, best times, hotels and local foods. You can tap follow-up prompts and customize the trip to your liking. Finally, tap any links from the source list to view official sites, maps or booking platforms. This is how you can use Google AI Mode for travel planning.